Speaker sir, our question, I will be very, very specific on 3 issues. Okay. The first issue is about water transport projects. आता Speaker sir, गोयची first solar electric hybrid ferry he procure केली for approximately 4 कोटी रुपया, 3 crore 97 to be very precise. In the month of October 2022 as a inauguration जाल्ले. अनिक ही ferry boat जेन्ना एक note move केल्लो, I have the note moved by one Mr. Prasanna Karthik, OSD to then Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. And based on this note, की AG feasibility is study करून मुखार check करून. त्याच नंतर Speaker sir, Captain of Ports याने नोटाचेर noting हा की he want that हे पळे solar ferries they are uneconomical, impractical for the Goa's rivers. त्याच नंतर Speaker sir, Captain of Ports सांगलेले की जी solar ferry हा it was unsuitable for Goa's river conditions. Port stated technical and cost issues too. Other Speaker sir, red flag was there from the department. After red flag Speaker sir, still you all try to put this ferry boat into operation. 3 महीने it was into operation. Anik jenna it was into operation, user was low. Ada त्या 3 वर्साक ही ferry boat हाडली. कोण केरळाचो कोणाचो कुंपार आशिल्लो तो म्हाका खबर ना. त्या वेळार Speaker sir 3 वर्सां it was left to rot. Rodents damaged the internal wiring. There was no maintenance. Charging infrastructure was inadequate. And Speaker sir, Captain of Ports and मुखार नोटाचेर कितें बरयल्लें की solar ferry पळय ही गोंय चलपाना म्हणून. आनी he suggested to depute an officer to Kerala. आता त्या वेळार केरळा
प्रश्न विचार
अरे कंटिन्युएशन सांगतात सुदीन बाब मंत्री आशिल्लो आणि सुदीन बाब जेन्ना गेलो केरळा R&D स्टाफा घेऊन कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्सा घेऊन त्याने एक रिपोर्ट दिलो. तो रिपोर्ट वाचता सोलर बोट फॉर वॉटर हॅव्हिंग हायर करंट्स अँड टर्ब्युलन्स नीड्स टू बी स्टडीड बाय एक्सपर्ट्स. नंबर 1. Number 2, take the guidance of other departments before finalizing any technical specification. आता सुदीन बाब सारको म्हाका दिसता एक्सपर्ट, सगळ्यान एक्सपर्ट हा तो उदका इद्रेशी सारको एक्सपर्ट. हुई सुकती हा, हुई बुरती जाता, कितें जाता तर सगळे ते खबर हा.
तू प्रश्न विचार.
प्रश्न म्हगेलो स्पीकर
प्रश्न गुणायता तू.
Despite warnings, advices to check the economical viability, suitability of the solar ferry boat, what made the government to procure this solar ferry, and where was the department and the agencies who were on board for guidance and assistance? कित्याक जेन्ना डिपार्टमेंटान सांगले ही चलपाना गोंयांत जाल्यार why did the department go ahead and purchase it?
Opposition leader तुका पळय
प्रश्न जालो हो पयलो सप्लिमेंट.
स्पीकर सर, this solar electric boat, hybrid boat म्हणटा ती आमी परचेज केल्ली एट द ताजो सगळो कॉस्ट आसा 3 crores 97 lakhs 95,000. इफ जेन्ना आमी कमिशन केली किंवा ती रुटाचेर चलोवपाक पडली, तुम्ही म्हाका दुसरे एक क्वेश्चनाक विचारले आसा why all these other ferries are not audited through IRS.
No, don't divert. I'm asking you.
No, I'm not diverting. Just listen to me.
Yeah, you specifically ask.
Okay. IRS आचे ऑडिट बाकीच्या कशे करपाक घेनात. ही आमी स्पेसिफिकली पॅसेंजर बोट आसा आणि ताका खूपशे स्टँडर्ड्स आसात म्हणून आमी ती IRS कडच्यान करून घेतली. इट वॉज ऑडिटेड बाय IRS ओनली.
Don't divert.
No, I'm not diverting. Listen to my answer.
Yeah.
As you said, ही बोट आमकां फिजिबल जायना. त्या बोटीन भितर एखाद वेळ तूं सांगता तशें what I get the information, जनरेटर आसतलो ताचो, इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर आसतलो, बॅटरीज आसतलो, ते म्हाका दिसता it was inadequate specifications and hence ताका परत प्रॉब्लम्स येताले. what you are saying is correct. Don't interrupt me. हांव सांगता न्ही तुका कितें केलें तें. when we found, we tried operating this boat on for passengers on various routes, but त्या रुट्साचेर आमी परत एक फावटी ती रिपेर करूनय चलोवपाचे प्रयत्न केले, पॅसेंजरय मेळ्ळे ना आमकां. पूण जेन्ना ती बोट ज्या जाग्याचेर आमकां ऑपरेशनाक वचना, आमी 3 म्हयने ती बोट चलोवनय पळयली, ताचे बरोबर पॅसेंजर्सय जायनाशिल्ले. तूं सांगता तशें ती बोटीचे कितें प्रॉब्लम्स आसतले पयलीं म्हाका खबर ना की ते हें दिल्लें तें, बिकॉज वेन आय वॉज अ मिनिस्टर दिस
Inaugurated. You inaugurated it in October
I inaugurated
2022.
it आणि त्या बोटीचें नांव आमी दवरलें सेंट पेद्रू आणि ह्या हाजेर ती बोट ऑपरेट जाताली. आतां गेले 3 वर्सां त्या बोटीचे परत एक फावटी आमी कोणाक टेंडर काडले, पण नोबडी वॉज ऑप्टिंग फॉर टू टेक दीस. आमी पॅसेंजर ऑपरेट करपा खातीर आतां नवो टेंडर काडलो आणि त्या नव्या टेंडरान भितर आमकां मंथली 1.70 lakhs अर्निंग जावपा सारकें आमकां परत एक फावटी कोट आयिल्लो आसा अँड वी वील पुट टू यूज दिस बोट. म्हणजे आमी जाणा की ह्या 2-3 वर्सां ती बोट वापरावी ना उरली.
साधारण प्रश्न आशिल्लो जेन्ना डिपार्टमेंट हॅड गिवन, कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्स हॅड गिवन वॉर्निंग्स, एडवायजीस, ही फिजिबिलिटी जावपा ना म्हणून, इकॉनॉमिक वायबिलिटी हेजी ना म्हणून, सस्टेनेबिलिटी ऑफ अ सोलर फॅक्टरी इन गोवन वॉटर्स ना म्हणून. सुदीन बाब केरला गेलो, रिपोर्ट दिला क्लियर. Why did the department go ahead and purchase it? You don't tell me what has done later. So this, because I charge that this solar ferry mission was a total mission commission. This is my charge. Minister cannot answer why it was bought. He inaugurated it. It was bought by his predecessor, whatever. But report astana department kityak went ahead to get this particular boat. Jenna Sotran Kartik मुळे तेणे घातलो नोट, तेजेर कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट क्लियर आसा की ही गोंय चलपा ना म्हणून. कोणा हुशाल करपाक ही गेल्ली बोट. मंत्री कोणा आन्सर ना. दिस इज अ फ्रॉड ऑफ 4 crores rupees. स्पीकर सर, आता दुसरो प्रश्नाचेर येता. आज यू कॉल योर प्रोजेक्ट्स ग्रीन प्रोजेक्ट, एवरीवेअर ग्रीनरी इज सीन. आनीक आज ही फेरी काडकांत आसा. इट इज इन डार्क. रो फेरीचे हांव चड उलयना. पयर तुवें इनॉग्रेट केली, इट वेंट आउट ऑफ सर्वीस. वाय डिड इट गो आउट ऑफ सर्वीस? Some panels failed, whatever. Those could be teething problems. I will not go into details in that. But Speaker sir, आज या ferry, solar ferry boat, मगेलो दुसरो आंता supplementary. What was the total ridership during the trial phase of 3 months? How much did it go? Number 2, were there any earnings in your department? What was the expenses during this particular period? How much public money was spent on that storage, on maintenance, on the repair of the ferry since its discontinuation? Aaj you all are saying, aaj o getlo, to getlo. No one will take it. It has been declared it is not safe. It is not viable. Why will someone bring something? What have you all done? Have you all changed the buoyancy? Have you all changed the design that someone will take something that is unsafe? Ijer maga tu second
Are you talking about ro-ro ferries or a solar hybrid ferry?
No, solar. I'm still on the solar. Which government entity today will be held responsible? My question is, who you will hold responsible for this lapse of 4 crore rupees despite multiple red flags and technical objections? You have to hold someone accountable for this. Who will you hold accountable for this? I want an answer. Who you will hold? Or second supplementary, huh?
आम्ही ह्या फेरीची चौकशी करपा खातीर वी हॅव फायल्ड अ कंप्लेन अँड सूट अगेन्स्ट दिस इन दी डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज, कारण हे ताच्या अंडर येता अँड वी आर अवेटिंग फॉर ताच्या अजून हियरिंग जालें ना.
When you wrote?
About 2 months back.
Saying that it is not viable.
Yeah. So no, saying that it is आमकां हातून भितर फॉल्टी मेळ्ळे आसा. We have not paid around 59.37 when it came to me. आमकां ताजे फायनल पेमेंट आसतालो, तो फायनल पेमेंट ऑफ 59.37 lakhs we have not yet paid, and we have filed a complaint with the concerned authorities where we have to file. In the industries department कडेन आमी काडले आसा and we are awaiting for the hearing on this.
No. See, very clear cut, Honorable Minister. This payment was not released during your time. I agree. You inaugurated Captain of Ports when they all inaugurated it in October, when it was not feasible. Number 1, who will be held accountable? To me, 59 lakhs dil nahi, but 3.5 koti. The contractor will say that whatever specifications were they were given, but this is the mistake of the department. You can't hold the contractor liable for this. When your department says it was not feasible, you are planning to stop the contractor's money. What is this? Where is the contractor's
Performance परफॉर्मन्स गॅरंटी असता ती परफॉर्मन्स गॅरंटी आम्ही दिली ना
But
रिलीज
because
केली ना
sir,
वी
it is-
रिअलाइज
it is
आफ्टर
monthly in
when it
Indian
came in
product.
operation we realized that it is not performing, the specifications are not
One particular ferry boat, Honorable Chief Minister also is a Nandgechi. What name Beti ferry? E Beti ferry पडे हा एजेर 1 करोड 9 लाख रुपया मुळे 1 करोड 9 लाख रुपया for maintenance in the last 5-6 years. 18-19 you spent 5 lakhs, 19-20 you spent 41 lakhs, 20-21 was spent 15 lakhs, 21-22 was spent 14 lakhs, 22-23 you spent 11 lakhs, and 23-24 21 lakhs 85,000. That means 1 crore 10 lakhs for 5 years on one ferry.
Very novel.
Anda हांवें जेन्ना एक प्रश्न घालो की what is the average cost? Your annexure B, it says that 63 lakhs to 1 crore 30 lakhs is the average cost of a new ferry.
आन्सर करून मरे तू आता सगळे क्वेश्चन हांव
Because
एका
sir,
बरोबर
Terracol
तू वाचत वतलो बट
63 lakhs.
प्रश्न विचार.
तू कितले प्रश्न एका बरोबर विचारता म्हाका एक प्रश्न
अरे
विचार
हांव
न्ही.
स्पेसिफिकली पॉइंट आउट करून दाखयता.
तिसरा प्रश्न विचार तुझो.
आता एक साइडीन
हांवें आन्सर केन्ना करपाचें तें सांग न्ही.
और मत तू
For last 10 minutes you are asking only questions. Let me answer.
Because sir, on one side we have the ferries that are aging, on the other side you are spending crores annually. On one side we have new ferries that cost less than what you have spent on the maintenance.
Yeah.
Speaker sir, my third supplement
युरी बाब प्रश्न विचार तुझो प्रश्न
the third supplementary insada.
No, मरे हाजेर your second supplementary I will I will answer.
Now I'm asking my third supplementary. की ये पैसे पब्लिकाचे. Does your department have a cost benefit policy or any technical matrix to decide whether a ferry should be scrapped or whether it has to be replaced instead of being repeatedly repaired? Because sir, Anik, why have the Goan ferries become smart that they every time come to the last 5 years, the pattern is seen between 5 to 6 crores. So all the ferries that you all have, make sure that they come with
प्रश्न विचार
Prashna is, Speaker sir, have you conducted any performance audit of your ferry repairs undertaken in the last 5 years? How many ferries are scrapped and how many are to be auctioned?
Your first question was, in last 5 years, around approximately 30 crores were spent on 35 crores were spent on only maintenance. If you look at it, we operate all these ferries on 18 routes and we have total ferries in म्हणजे आमच्यो चलपाच्यो ferries आसा त्यो 32. If you look at the cost as of today of all the ferries would work out something between 35 crores to 40 crores वर्ताच्यो त्यो ferries आसात. एका वर्साक 5 कोटी जर मोडले जर जाय, do you feel maintenance is not required? All these questions are raised again and again why the proper maintenance is being carried out. If you see, we have आमचो एक मरायन वर्कशॉप आसा, त्या वर्कशॉपान भितर आमचे कडेन साधारणतः 103 कामगार आसात. ह्या फेरीक जेन्ना आमी 18 तास ती फेरी चलयतात, दिसाचे 24 तासां पैकी 18 तास ती फेरी चलयतात. तुवें पळोवपाक जाय की तेका वेअर एंड टेअर कितले आसतले. इफ अ प्रॉपर्टी वर्थ, इफ आमची गाडी जर आसा, जी गाडी आसा ताजी कॉस्ट जर 40 crores एज ऑफ टुडे आसा जर जायत, आनी ज्यो फेरीज आसात त्यो 15 वर्सांच्यानी थोडे चड आसात, ज्यो 10 वर्सांच्यो आसा. वॉट यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ बेती फेरी इज समथिंग अराउंड 10 years ओल्ड. ताका जर खंयच्यानी कॉस्ट आयलो जर जाय, डू यू फील दॅट इट इज एक्झॉर्बिटंट कॉस्ट अँड वी हॅव प्रॉपर मेथोडॉलॉजी टू फाइंड आउट. आम्ही जेन्ना आमचे कडेन आसात
all 10 lakh रुपया मुळे तुवें, you would get a new ferry. In last 5 years you spent 1 crore 10 lakhs. What is the feasibility? You are talking about safety. थिंगा सगळे बुराक पडे बाजीक कुसताय थिंगा आणि तू सेफ्टीचे उलयता. सोलर फेरी पडे हा फेरीक जर बुराक पडले
पहिली उत्तर
आणि बुडली
दिता ते
कितको?
उत्तर दिवपाक लाय.
फेरी
बोले
कितको
LOP
बुडली?
आम्ही जेन्ना जर
युरी अलिबाव बस उत्तर दिवं मरे.
ना उत्तर दिल त्याने
उत्तर दिले तू उलयता तेन्ना प्रश्न दित्राच असता ताका उत्तर दिवनी मरे
हे
पयली.
दिला आई उत्तर
Let him answer.
लाईन आटा. स्पीकर सर, क्वेश्चन इज
ताजी
व्हेरी
उत्तर
सिंपल. डू यू हैव
ताजी कंप्लीट जावपाक दिया न्ही.
Complete केल्यार परत फुडले विचारपाचे आहा ते.
Because sir, I am not blaming the minister because whether the predecessor, whoever, I am not blaming the minister, but the department is slipping All these years they are sleeping. अरे 1 करोड 10 लाख तुम्ही मोठे 1 करोड 10 लाख
तारीख
वाले 5 years.
करोड
किती म्हणतो तुका येस
स्पीकर सर आयज ज्यो फेरीचे ट्रान्सपोर्ट तुम्ही पळयलो आनी पॅसेंजर जे लोड व्हरतात आनी 18 तास आमी जाचेर त्यो एक वेसल आसा ते 18 तास काम करता ताका वेर एंड टेर हे येतलेच आनी ह्यो फेरीज आसा त्यो आमी वर्सान वर्स घेतले ना किंवा 10 वर्सांनी स्क्रॅप केले ना वी हॅव स्टील आमच्यो 15 वर्सांच्या वयर फेरीज 20 वर्सां पर्यंत फेरीज ह्यो अजून पर्यंत आसा ताका मेंटेनन्स हे येतले आणि खंयचेय तुम्ही स्टँडर्ड पळयले जर जाय जाल्यार 15% मेंटेनन्स ऑलवेज देर तू तुझ्या गाडयेचेर
Derive a cost benefit policy. If
कॉस्ट
you
बेनिफिट आमचे कडेन कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्स आसा दे आर सर्वेयर्स आमी जे कितें स्पेंड करता पळय न्ही इट इज बीन सर्टिफाईड बाय अनदर डिपार्टमेंट कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्स तांचे कडेन जे सर्वेयर्स आसा ते सर्वेयर करतात ताका जे पळय आमकां वेसल आमकां इनलँड वॉटरवेजाक काम करपाक जाय तांणी सर्टिफाय ऑडिट सर्टिफाय करपाक जाय दॅट इट इज सी वर्दीनेस ताजे सर्टिफाय ते करतात आनी ते सी वर्दीनेस जेन्ना ना they prescribed us what all the things to be taken up for this. This
Minister,
is not
very
only the
simple.
water.
I think you need to relook
river navigation
at
is
the
not.
costing.
Captain of portsache asta. But we are not the experts for certifying the seaworthiness.
एक ferry बांधपाक 1 कोटी 10 लाख लागता average on the higher
Yes.
side, and you are
Yes.
spending 5 years 1 crore 10 lakhs on
Star
the same
question
thing.
2 श्री
Over
Praveen
सांगता पळय न्ही